So, do we think the train's long enough?
Yeah. Oh.
Are you sure?
Oh look, what was that?
Because you might go.
What's that noise?
That's rain. We got some rain.
Yeah, I got some rain.
So we haven't got any more coaches. That's all the coaches we got. That's every coach. Should we have a count up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 coaches. 8 coaches, William. Yeah. It's bigger than the track. It's longer than the track. Look all them coaches. All different colours. And what else we got here? What else we got here? Look, we got Thomas.
Got colours.
And who's that? James. And then we got green one.
And a black one.
Black one. Tire wagon. Tankers. Green engine. And steamer.
And to get that steamer.
Yeah.
And
We're getting
get that round steamer.
the rounds. Yeah, we're getting running soon. Yeah, we'll build up the fire and we're getting running. Not tonight though, because it's chucking it down with rain and it's very dark. He needs to go in the garden. Hope you know which one does what.
To get clean in the rain. To get clean in the rain.
All right, okay. Fair enough. There we go. I'm not sure who's having more fun.
And I'm having fun.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I know.
So what does that do? What do the buttons do?
First, unless green one doesn't work.
Does that put electricity onto the block sections? Can you say electricity onto the block sections?
There's the other block section.
Jolly good try. Jolly good try. Well done.